DeSales students, of course we wear uniforms.
We're DeSales students. Of course we do the pledge every day. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States. We're DeSales students. Of course we pray. We're DeSales students. Of course we have the best teachers.
We're DeSales students. Of course we're going to help each other.
We're DeSales students. Of course we're going to fix up for safety.
We're DeSales students, of course our preschoolers know their ABCs.
A, B, C, D. We're DeSales students. Of course we love art.
We're DeSales students. Of course we take Spanish.
Hola!
We're DeSales students, of course we follow the golden rule. Treat others how you like to be treated.
We're DeSales students. Of course we love library.
You. We're DeSales alumni. Of course we're going to stay involved.
We're DeSales students. Of course we're like family.
We're DeSales students. Of course we're going to cheer for the Bills.
We're DeSales students. Of course we love our school, and you will too.